Today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely, beautiful plantain fritters. So delicious. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely ripe plantain fritters. But this one, I'm not going to smash the plantain. In here, I'm adding some cinnamon, and I have corn flour in here, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I have about half cup of all-purpose flour. So what I'm doing here, I'm just combining them together. So with this, I'll be taking some out of it. So with this mixture, I'm going to take some of it out. And I'm just going to put it here. And then I will explain what it is for. But before I go any further, I'm going to get the mixture up and running. So basically, I'm just going to use water in this. So for this, you'll need a whisk. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some water in this. We're adding some more water. So basically, to this you need about 100 ml of water, or depends on how thick you want the consistency. So the thickness of this should be the same as coating the back of the spoon. If you coat the back of the spoon, that's good to go. Once you finish with the mixture, just set it aside. Here I have a plantain, ripe plantain, really ripe. When you're seeing it like this, don't be afraid of it. This is good to make, you can use this to make cake, pudding, and also lovely desserts. You can use it to make ice cream. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just take the skin off this. So what I'm going to do now, you can cut it in whatever shape you want. I'm just going to cut them across like this. But please cut them in the shape that you would like them to be. And the rest of flour, which I have here, you're going to take them and you're going to put them in the flour. And you're going to coat it with the flour. Make sure it coats right over. So after your butter is relaxed a bit, just go ahead. You're going to put a pinch of salt in it. You don't need much in it. So on this side, I have some good quality oil. So make sure the oil is up to temperature before you start your plantain fritters. So this butter is a form of tempura butter. To test your oil, what you can do, I'm just going to drop a bit in it. And as you're seeing, it's floating. So the oil almost reached the temperature you need to do the fritters. So what we're going to do now with the rest of the flour. So you're going to get your plantain and you're going to put it in here. Just knocked off the excess flour of this. And this is something that takes time. You don't need to rush here. Just take your time. There's no rush for that. So what I'm doing here, I'm just getting a spoon, gently help it to coat the plantain. So once it is coated, I'm going to use my hands. So what I'm doing now, I'm reducing the flame a bit. But this is the same techniques I use for when you're doing like fish batter. So just gently hold it up like this, then release. And repeat the same process. Now these are ready to come out. I'm just going to take them out and put them on a plate. I'll be making a lovely dip to go with this. So I'm using some natural yogurt and just simple and easy. I'm going to add some honey to this. And we're adding some cinnamon also. So there you have your lovely ripe plantain fritters.